Brace yourselves, because what you're about to witness is not just a car, it's a mechanical symphony, a design marvel, and a hypercar that pushes physics to the brink. This is the 2026 Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport, a ferocious evolution of Bugatti's engineering dominance. In today's video, we'll dive deep into what makes the 2026 Chiron Pur Sport the most track-focused Bugatti ever. From its razor-sharp design to the brute force under its hood, if you're into hypercars, this one's going to leave you breathless. Let's get into it. Bugatti didn't just tweak the Chiron, they unleashed it. The Pur Sport ditches grand touring for ground tearing. The front end, wider air intakes and an aggressive splitter increased downforce. The rear, a massive fixed wing, not just for looks, but to clamp the car to the asphalt at 200 miles per hour. Carbon fiber dominates the bodywork, saving weight and boosting performance. Lightweight magnesium wheels wrapped in Michelin Sport Cup 2 are tires scream, track ready. And the overall stance? Lower, meaner, and tuned for corners, not just straight-line insanity. Step inside and the Pur Sport continues its focused mission. Gone is excessive luxury, replaced by Alcantara, raw carbon, and a sense of surgical precision. The steering wheel, chunky, grippy, and ready for real feedback. The digital display, clean and customizable, delivering everything from G-forces to lap times. You sit in the car, not on it. Deep bucket seats hold you like a racing harness. And that minimalist approach? Intentional. This isn't about champagne and comfort, this is about control. Under the hood lies a beast that refuses to be tamed. The legendary 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16 still reigns, producing 1,500 horsepower and 1,180 lb-ft of torque. But here's the twist, the gearing is shorter, response is quicker, and the redline? Raised to 6,900 RPM. 0 to 60. Just over 2 seconds. But this Pur Sport isn't chasing top speed, it's chasing lap times. Bugatti reworked the suspension, firmed up the chassis, and made it a corner-carving monster. It's a Bugatti that loves to turn. The 2026 Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport is not just a car, it's a mission statement. A fusion of brute force, elegant aggression, and mind-bending engineering. It's Bugatti breaking its own rules, and rewriting what a hypercar can be. Would you take the Pur Sport over a traditional Chiron or another hypercar? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a ride into the future of automotive madness.